everyone. So we are continuing to solve our CBSE math board papers for 10th grade, and this is the continuation to solve for the year 2017 set 1, and we have already solved section A and section B and section C in our previous videos. Let's move to section D. It has 11 questions of 4 marks each. So question number 21st. In this question we have to solve for x, and we are given 1 by x plus 1 plus 3 by 5x plus 1 is equal to 5 by x plus 4. We can take the LCM x plus 1 into 5x plus 1, and here 5x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1. This is equal to 5 by x plus 4. 5x plus 1 plus 3x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x plus 1 into 5x plus 1. 8x plus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 5 into 5x square plus x plus 5x plus 1. So this is equal to 8x square plus 32x plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 25x square, and 6 and 5 30x plus 5. Now taking everything on the right hand side, we have 25x square minus 8x square will be 17x square plus 30x minus 36x plus 5 minus 16 is equal to 0. We have 17x square minus 6x minus 11 is equal to 0. To factorize this equation, we need to find out two numbers such that whose sum is minus 6 and product is minus 11 into 17. So we can clearly see it would be minus 17 and plus 11. So 17x square minus 17x plus 11x minus 11 is equal to 0. Here we have 17x common, x minus 1 plus 11 is common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. 17x plus 11 and x minus 1 are factors. So x is equal to minus 11 by 17 or 1. So answer. 22nd question. In this question we have two taps which fill the tank in 1 by 13 hours, and one tap takes 3 hours more than the other tap. Let one tap fill tank in x hours. Therefore in 1 hour it will fill 1 by xth tank. Other tap fill the tank in x plus 3 hours. 3 hours more. Therefore in 1 hour it will fill 1 by x plus 3th tank, and in 1 hour both taps fill 13 3 times 39 40. So 13 by 40th tank. So on comparing the tank filled in 1 hour, we have 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 13 by 40. Now x plus 3 plus x by x into x plus 3 is equal to 13 by 40. 40 cross multiplication to x plus 3 is equal to 13x into x plus 3, 80x plus 120 is equal to 13x square plus 39x. Taking everything on the right hand side, we have 13x square plus 39x minus 80x minus 120 is equal to 0. So this is 13x square minus 41x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation, and we have to look for two numbers such that sum is equal to minus 41 and product is equal to minus 120 into 13. 1560 into 1, 2 times 780, 3 times 520, 4 times 390 and 5 times 312, 6 times 260, 8 times 195 and 10 156 and 11 is not a factor, 12 130, 13 120, 15 we have 104, 20 we can think of, 78, 24. So we have 65. Okay, so we have got our factors. We can substitute here. So 13x square minus 65x plus 24x minus 120 is equal to 0. 13x is common, x minus 5 plus 24 is common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 and 13x plus 24 are the factors of this equation. So x is equal to 5 or minus 24 by 13, as here time cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 5. Answer: one tap will fill the tank in 5 hours and other in x plus 3 8 hours. Question number 23rd. In this question we are given a ratio of sum of two APs is 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. So we know sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So let's take sum of n terms of first AP by sum of n terms of second AP is equal to n is same in both the cases and 2a for first AP n minus 1 into common difference of first AP divided by n by 2 and twice a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. This is given as 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. Take 1 by 2 inside. So this would be equal to n into twice a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 divided by 2 by n into twice a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 divided by 2 is equal to 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. N gets cancelled here. a1 plus half into n minus 1 into d1 divided by A2 plus half into n minus 1 into D2. Is equal to 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. Let this be first equation. We know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, ratio of their ninth terms would be equal to a1 plus 8 d1 divided by a2 plus 8 d2. This be second equation. Therefore, on comparing first and second equation, we have half into n minus 1 is equal to 8. So n minus 1 is equal to 16, n is equal to 17. Now substituting n value in ratio of sums. 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27 will be equal to 7 into 17 plus 1 divided by 4 into 17 plus 27. This is equal to 119 plus 1 and 68 plus 27. So this is equal to 120 divided by 95, 19 5 times and 5 24 times is equal to 24 by 19. So answer, the ratio of the ninth terms is 24:19. 24th question. In this question, we have to prove the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let's see, this is the circle with center O, and this be the external point, and these are the two tangents drawn. So let this point be R, this be P, this be Q, and center is O. We can join OR and we can draw center to the point of contact. This is equal to 90 degree. We know. Given we have a circle with center O and tangents PR and QR drawn from external point R. We have construction here. Join OR and perpendiculars OP and OQ to prove PR is equal to QR. In triangles OPR and OQR, so we have to write down the statements and we have to write down the reasons. So we have OP is equal to OQ, both are radii of same circle. Angle OPR is equal to angle OQR is equal to 90 degree, perpendicular from center to tangent. Okay, OR is equal to OR, so that is common. Triangle OPR is congruent to triangle OQR, by RHS property. Therefore, PR is equal to QR by CPCT. So hence proved. Question number 25. In this question, we have a circle and we have two parallel tangents, X, Y, and we have X dash and Y dash. This is the diameter PQ, center O, and we have another tangent which is touching the circle at C, and this tangent is intersecting XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. Join this point. So this will be 90 degree, this will be 90 degree, and this angle will be 90 degree. And we have given these lines OA and OB, and we have to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. We are given here XY is parallel to X dash, Y dash, and we are also given a circle with center O and radius R. And we need to prove here angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Now prove in triangle POA and triangle COA, we have angle OPA is equal to angle OCA, and both are equal to 90 degree because line joining the center to the point of contact of tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. First point, second point, OA is equal to OA, common side. Third point, OP is equal to OC because both are radii of the same circle. Therefore, I can say that triangle POA is congruent to triangle COA by RHS property of congruency. Therefore, angle POA is equal to angle COA by CPCT. Similarly, for the other two triangles, we can say angle QOB is equal to angle COB, as POQ is a straight line. We can say that angle POA plus angle COA plus angle QOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. From fifth and sixth point, we can say these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So I can say twice angle COA plus twice angle COB is equal to 180 degree. So twice of angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree by 2. So this is equal to 90 degree. And we know angle COA and COB is equal to angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. 26th question. This is a question on construction, and first we have to construct a triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 7 centimeter and angle B is 45 degree and angle A is 105 degree. Angle C would be equal to 180 degree minus 105 plus 45 degree. So this is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So this is equal to 30 degree. So this is 30. And we have to draw another triangle which will be 3/4 of this triangle. Let's start constructing. BC 7 centimeters, and we have to draw a 45 degree angle at B. We have this arc 60 degree and we have a 90 degree here. This is 45 degree angle. Now we have to make a 30 degree angle at C. So this one arc, and this is 60 degree. This is 30 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree here. So we have got the triangle ABC. Now we have to make a similar triangle. For that, from B I will make a line BZ at any angle. Now we'll make the arcs from B, A1, and from A1 we get A2, from A2 we have A3 and A4. So from B we have made 4 arcs at equal distances. Let's join A4 and C. I'll measure this angle at A4 and the same angle I'm going to draw at A3 to meet BC at C dash. Now at C dash I'm going to make 30 degree angle, which is same as C. We get the point A dash. A dash B C dash is the required triangle. The steps of construction. First step, draw BC of 7 centimeter. Second, construct angle 45 degree at B and angle 30 degree at C. Triangle ABC is constructed. From B, draw a line BZ at any angle on opposite side of A. Fifth, from B, draw 4 equal arcs on BZ, A1, A2, A3, A4. Join A4 to C. Draw angle equal to angle B A4C at A3 to meet BC at C dash. At C dash, construct angle 30 degree to meet AB at A dash. A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Now prove triangle A dash B C dash is 3/4 of triangle ABC. Triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC, as angle B is equal to angle B common, and angle C dash is equal to angle C by construction. Therefore, A dash B by AB is equal to A dash C dash by AC is equal to BC dash by BC is equal to 3 by 4. Hence proved. 27th question. In this question, we have an aeroplane flying at the height of 300 meter. Angles of depression are 60 degree and 45 degree. This angle will also be 60 degree and this angle will also be 45 degree, because the angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Let's name these points A, B, C, D. We have to find the width of the river. That is, we have to find AC. So now I can say tan 60 degree is equal to dB by AB. So tan 60 degrees root 3, dB is equal to 300 and AB. So AB is equal to 300 by root 3. Then we know tan 45 degree is equal to dB by BC, and tan 45 degrees 1, dB is equal to 300 and by BC. So BC is equal to 300. And we know AC is equal to AB plus BC. So this is equal to 300 by root 3 plus 300. 300 plus 300 root 3 divided by root 3. Now let's take 300 common. We have 1 plus root 3 by root 3. And let's rationalize. So 300 into 1 plus root 3 into root 3 by 3. So 3, this gets 100. This is equal to 100 into root 3 plus 3. So this is equal to 100 into 1.732 plus 3. Now 100 into 4.732. So this is equal to 2 decimal points, so 473.2 meter. So answer, the width of the river is 473.2 meter. 28th question. In this question, we are given the coordinates of 3 points A, K plus 1, 2K, and B, 3K, 2K plus 3, and C as 5K minus 1, 5K. And these 3 points are collinear and we have to find the value of K. So we know if the 3 points are collinear, we have area of triangle is equal to 0. So let's write down the formula for area of the triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. x1 as k plus 1, y1 as 2k, x2 is equal to 3k and y2 is equal to 2k plus 3, x3 is equal to 5k minus 1 and y3 is equal to 5k. Let's substitute the values. So we have half into k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 minus 5k plus 3k into 5k minus 2k plus 5k minus 1 into 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. Now half goes that side and it also becomes 0. K plus 1 into 3 minus 3k plus 3k into 3k plus 5k minus 1. This gets cancelled. Minus 3 is equal to 0. 3k minus 3k square plus 3 minus 3k plus 9k square minus 15k plus 3 is equal to 0. 6k square and this gets cancelled, so minus 15k plus 6 is equal to 0. So we have a common factor 3, so 2k square minus 5k plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to factorize this equation and we have to find two numbers such that sum is minus 5 and product is plus 4. So we have 2k square minus 4k minus 1k plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2k is common, k minus 2 minus 1 is common, k minus 2 is equal to 0. 2k minus 1 into k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to half or 2. So this is the answer. Question number 29. In this question, we have two dice which are thrown together. Then total outcome will be equal to 36. And formula for probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. First part, even sum. The sum of the numbers should be even. Favorable outcomes will be 1 and 1, 1 and 3. Then we have 1 and 5, 2 and 2, then 2 and 4, 2 and 6, then 3 and 1, 3 and 3, then 3 and 5, then 4 and 2, then 4 and 4, 4 and 6, then 5 and 1, and 5 and 3, 5 and 5, then 6 and 2, 6 and 4, and 6 and 6. Number of favorable outcomes are 18. Therefore, probability of this event is equal to 18 by total outcomes is 36. So this is 1 by 2. Answer. Second part, it should have even product. Outcomes would be 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 1 and 6, then 2 and 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then with 3, 3 and 2, 3 and 4, 3 and 6, 4 and 1, 4 and 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 6. Then with 5, 5 and 2, 5 and 4, 5 and 6. Then we have 6 and 1, 6 and 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So number of favorable outcomes here are 27 outcomes. So therefore probability of this event will be equal to 27 by total outcomes are 36. So we know 9 3 times and 9 4 times. So 3 by 4 is the answer. 30th question. In this question we are given a rectangle AB CD and we have a semicircle with diameter as BC. The dimensions of rectangle are 21 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and we have a shaded region. And we have to find the area and perimeter of this shaded region. Area of shaded region will be equal to area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Length into breadth is 21 into 14 centimeter and minus 22 by 7. Radius is 7 because BC is 14, so that's the diameter. So radius will be 7 into 7 divided by 2. So we have 2 11 times and 7 1 time. So this is 14 and 28 29 294 minus 77. So this is equal to 7 and 1 and 2 centimeter square. Perimeter of shaded region, length plus breadth plus perimeter of semicircle. So 2 pi r is the perimeter divided by 2. So length is 21 plus 21 plus breadth is 14 plus 2 gets cancelled, 22 by 7 into radius is 7. So this gets cancelled and we have 78 centimeter. So answer, area of shaded region is 217 centimeter square and perimeter is 78 centimeter. 31st question. In this question we have a rainwater harvesting system, and from the roof the water drains into the cylindrical tank. So the roof is in the form of cuboid. This is the roof and the water fills into the cylindrical tank. The dimensions of the roof are 22 meter into 20 meter, and cylindrical tank has diameter of base is 2 meter. So radius is equal to 1 meter and height is 3.5 meter. And we have to find the rainfall in centimeter. So that will be the height of the water on the roof. So now we can say that volume of cuboid here will be equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H and volume of cylinder is pi r square H. This is 22 meter and 20 meter, and height we have to find out. Pi we can take 22 by 7 and radius is 1 into 1 and height is 3.5 meter. This is 0.5. So height is equal to 22 into 0.5 divided by 22 into 20. 22 and 22 gets cancelled, and we can change this into centimeters. So we'll multiply. So height is equal to this, and this gets cancelled, one this with this. So we have 5 by 2 or 2.5 centimeter. So answer, rainfall is 2.5 centimeter. So with this we have finished the section D, as well as we have finished the paper set 1 and set 2. We are going to start in our next video. So stay tuned and see you all.